Hey everybody, it's Shannon Poole. Today I want to share with you a piece of Pascagoula history in the car scene. There used to be a guy by the name of Jimmy Carroll around Pascagoula. He ended up living in Grand Bay, but he started in Pascagoula. He lived in Pascagoula, and he dedicated his whole life to buying Corvettes and Corvette parts. He was a Corvette collector. He was the main man around here with Corvettes, besides my dad. But he had quite a collection, and my brother and I were fortunate to buy a bunch of cars that he had. I think it was 12 or 13 Corvettes that he had collected over the years. This car here I'm going to show you is one of his personal cars he had when he was very young, and he hardly ever drove the car. I think it's got 75,000 miles, original miles on it. This is a survivor car, so it's very valuable. It's a piece of Pascagoula history, and I want to show it to you. I just got it running. It's been sitting since, I think, 74. We rebuilt the motor. Me, along with Clifton Clark, a friend of mine, have started putting this thing back together as much of the original stuff as we could. So it is a survivor car. I think it has to be 75 or 80% original to be considered, or to have the status of a survivor car. But here it is. You still got the barn dust on it. We did have to change the brakes. We changed the AC compressor, hoses, things like that. I use the original exhaust, except for the mufflers. I put a new tank in it. This thing's awesome. It's got the original carpet, dash, everything. Interior, it's a convertible. It's got the hard top on it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful survivor. And it's made it through a lot. It's made it through several moves. Jimmy Carroll had it put up. We were fortunate enough to get it, or my brother was, and I've been putting it back together for him the best I know how. Pretty fluent around Corvettes, thanks to Keen Parts, Tom Keen in Ohio, Cincinnati. He's helped me along the way and give me some advice. But this is the state that it's in now. I haven't put all the stuff back on it yet that needs to go on it, but I just took it for its first test drive, and it shifted good. It's got good power, and I'm just very pleased. And hopefully this thing will be in our family for a long time to come. And we want to preserve the thought of Jimmy Carroll, being that he was the Corvette man around here. And we appreciate everything he did for the Corvette community. And I'd like to thank my dad for helping. He's one of the best Corvette guys around here. So it's been a long, hard road, but we got it. There's Keen Parts. We're gonna leave the dust on it. I had to clear me a spot to see out the winder, but it's just a beautiful specimen. Beautiful specimen. And like I said, just happy to work on it and be a part of it. Stay tuned for some more. We got them coming.